start. That's a good order. Alright guys, keep them coming out. Keep them coming out. Down and quiet, down and quiet. Keep them stuck guys, keep start. Your A-Main, extra buggy. Top 10 of the day, fight it out. Uh-oh, so many here, P2 getting hung up a little bit. So we're going to make up some time here. We're way back to qualify. We're looking a little right in that corner. Wow, look at the drum up front. Is that Carlos out front? That was David out front. Followed by Brian. David. Clark. Carlos Fontaine. Carlos Crew. Jack. Scott. Boy, you have a really bad start. All the way back to that last spot a long time ago. One down, 19 to go. David, Brian, David.
That's really messed up.
Scott now for that fourth spot. Carlos Fontaine, Clark, Jack. Carlos Crew. Good battle for lead guys. Brian taking that top spot away from David. I think I'm through the S section. Coming over the double. David in that third spot. Good battle between Scott and Carlos Fontaine with that fourth spot. I'll get that fifth spot. Carlos Cruz in that seventh spot. 240 down, 17:40 left to go.
Marshall!
Watch them coming over to the trailer, guys. All clear. The battle between Brian and David coming over in the double. The orange and blue buggy. And the purple, the brown and white buggy. Dark purple and white buggy. And through the mobile section, they're coming up with some heavy traffic. They got Hug and Carlos. That's right in front of them. Who's behind you guys? Oh, they both took plenty of room. That second one is also right behind. Thank you guys. Even clean. Oh.
Nice.
Went out by Brian. They were taking on that spot. These guys are real tight on these runs. David pounced right on it. As soon as he saw the opener, he took that lead. 4 minutes down, 16 to go. 16 minutes left. Maybe get hung up for the rest of the line if we get back that top spot. The battle between David and Scott for that third spot. So we're on to the triple section. Brian stretching out a little bit of lead now over David. That might be the biggest lead of the race. Coming over the double, or coming David over the double. Well, battle for that third spot coming over the straightaway. Oh, Scott's waving out. Carlos Fontaine moving into that fourth spot. In the red, white, blue buggy. That's the pink, white, blue. 5 down, 15 to go. 5 down, 15 to go. Right now, we're going to move the leaders. 1 lap down. Trying to get back on the move back.
Marshall!
Waiting for that 6th spot. Last car on the lead lap. 5:30 down, 14:30 left to go. 5:30 down, 14:30 left to go. Starting order is Brian, David, Carlos Fontaine, Blaine, Carlos Cruz, Scott, Todd. 6 minutes down, 14 left. 6 down, 14 to go. So battle between Scott and Carlos now for that 6th spot. $6.30 down, $13.30 left to go. $6.30 down, $13.30 left to go. These are coming on in the straightaway. Got a nice size lead now. 2nd place coming in the list.
Go slow, Jack, go slow, not too fast.
We're going 7 minutes down, 13 to go. 13 minutes left. 7 down, 13 to go. Brian, David, Carlos Fontaine now up to that 3rd spot. Wayne up to that 4th spot.
Go, baby.
And David coming in for his 1st stop. Carlos Cruz in that 6th spot. Scott that 7th spot. We're down to 7 buggies left in this race. We're coming up on 7:40 down. 12:20 left to go. Come on the pit side. Easy coming to the front. Uh-oh. Pit side, you ready to go? Come off the line. Run!
Marshall!
12 minutes left. Well, you can see him run like that with that hubcaps in his hand. We got another 20 minutes. That's what's doing a long workout. 8:20 down. 11:40 left to go. 8:20 down. 11:40 left to go. Brian, David, Blaine, Carlos Fontaine, David, Carlos Cruz, and Scott. Brian on 16, David on 16, Blaine on 15, Carlos 15, David 15, Carlos Cruz 14, and Scott on 14. 9 minutes down, 11 to go, 9 minutes down, 11 minutes left. Brian, David, Blaine, Carlos Fontaine, David, Carlos Cruz, Scott, and that's the 7 left running. 9:30 down, 10:30 left to go, 9:30 down, 10:30 left to go. drivers are coming up on halfway. Coming up on 10 down, 10 to go. 10 minutes down, drivers. 10 minutes left. Best battle on the track, that's a battle for that second spot between David and Dwayne. Coming through the infield into the purple section. There's a battle for that second spot. $10.30 down, $9.30 left to go. $10.30 down, $9.30 left to go. Brian, David, Dwayne, David, Carlos Fontaine, Scott, Carlos Cruz. They're all in order. Top three on the lead lap.
Nine minutes left.
11 minutes down, 9 to go. 11 down, 9 to go. $11.30 down, $8.30 left to go. $11.30 down, $8.30 left to go.